Hey, what is up, guys? And I'm here to show you a new zippo trick. Not new, just a zippo trick. Okay. It's kind of old. I'm sorry, it doesn't do it all the time. And to do this, you're going to put your fingers at the top. So your index finger and your middle finger at the top. And then your thumb at the bottom. And then just snap. And most of the time it will end up like that. But sometimes it will end up like that. For beginners, it will just end up like that. It took me about a day to get this. So, just keep practicing, guys. You'll get it. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later.